How to fix Van 1067 error in League of Legends, 2025. Error message. An unexpected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close. Step 1. Enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 in BIOS. Open quote, Vanguard requires both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 to function correctly on Windows 11 and some Windows 10 systems. Close quote. How to do it. 1. Restart your PC and press Del F2 or ESC to enter BIOS. 2. Find Secure Boot and TPM settings. Enable Secure Boot under Boot settings. Enable TPM 2.0. Intel equals PTT. AMD equals FTPM. 3. Save changes and exit BIOS. 4. Boot into Windows and try launching LoL again. Step 2. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Corrupted Vanguard installation is a top cause of this error. Uninstall Vanguard. 1. Press Windows R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Find VGC service, right-click, stop. 3. Open command prompt as admin and type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the entire folder. Reinstall. 1. Launch League of Legends or Valorant. 2. Riot will auto-install Vanguard again. 3. Restart your PC. Step 3. Make sure you're on a supported OS. Windows 11 and Windows 10 latest build are supported. Do not use Windows 7, modified OS builds, or LTSB versions. Check your version. You can see the code in our conversation history. If needed, update your OS. Step 4. Set Vanguard services to auto start. 1. Press Windows R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Right-click VGC, Properties. 3. Set startup type to automatic. Click Apply, then Start. Step 5. Check for conflicting software. Disable, uninstall any of the following: older anti-cheats, easy anti-cheat, FaceIt, etc., antivirus or firewall apps that block Vanguard, kernel-level debuggers or overlays. Final tip. Open quote, after doing these steps, reboot your PC before launching the Riot client. You should no longer see the Van 1067 error. Close quote. Would you like a YouTube short script or caption version of this